Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to help you find the largest, smallest, newest, or oldest files on your computer. So it's called FRSFilelist. So you just download it and install it. And you just double click to run it here. Alright, so it's a pretty simple interface and it's a pretty simple program, but it will come in really handy if you're just looking for specific types of files. So let's say you're running out of hard drive space on your computer and you want to see where the large files are, you could easily do so with this app. All right, so up here you have the number of files you want to find. Let's start with 10 here, and then the location, and then up here you have largest, smallest, oldest, and newest. And then if you want to show visible and hidden files and system files, you could do so from here. All right, so we have our location here. You can make this whatever you want by browsing to it. So we're in the users folder. So we're going to find the 10 largest files in this users folder. All right, so 136 megabytes is the largest one, going all the way down to 23 is number 10. And it tells you the date and time for that file and the age of that file. So if we change this to, let's say, the C drive, run it again, all right, so we have 571 megabytes for our largest file, down to 272 for the number 10 there. And of course, you could bump this up if you want to find some additional ones. So let's say, let's go up to 25. Move this over a little bit. So 571 at the top again, all the way down to 136 for number 25. All right, so now let's try the smallest files. Let's go back to documents, let's say. All right, so here are the 25 smallest files, 25 bytes, and then 12 kilobytes. All right, so now let's change this to the oldest files. All right, we have the super old file here from 2008 all the way down to 2022 for number 25. And once again, we'll do this newest here. So the newest file is 8 months old, up to 25, which is a year and a half old. And then if you want to filter it too, let's say PDF. So let's change this to back to 10. We'll go back to largest. So the 10 largest PDFs in documents. All right, so here we have the results here. 27 megabytes is the largest PDF. 424 kilobytes is the smallest one. And notice how you don't have to put asterisk.pdf. You just put in PDF and it found it. So if we go DOCX for Word documents, see what that comes up with. Right, largest one is 12 megabytes. Number 10 is 42 kilobytes. And then if you want to copy the text here, you need to highlight it first, I believe. Copy. Then you can paste it in there like that. Then, of course, you can print it as well. If you want to delete the files from the results, open or view the file, you can do that too. Then we have some help and some technical support. And here we have some more documentation. And then if you want to explore these files, you could do that. Open, delete. You could also right-click on one. So if we right-click on it, go to Explore, it'll take you to that folder that the file is located in. You can open the file too. I don't have Excel on this computer, so it's not going to open. And then you can export it as well if you want to save the report file. All right, so like I said, it's a pretty simple program, and it works rather well. It's pretty quick, so this could definitely help you out if you're looking for some older, newer, or larger files to help clean up your hard drive. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download FRSFilelist, and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.